Okay, so we have a five-piece drawer box with this, and it's not cutting the dados. The sizing is, and okay. Well, I mean, it's just as simple as it'll put in, and I figured out when it wouldn't had a script error. I just turned off the 3/8 holes that it would drill in the front to mount the drawer box front or the drawer front. And as soon as I turned that off, it would then create a program for those sides or the drawer boxes, but it's not putting the dados in. So, and I was just simply just, okay. So if I filter the parts, back, side, front, and then do all of this stuff. And I was just, so do I need to be, okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, go back to the regular part of the room and go to edit a cabinet that has a drawer in it.
So those errors that showed up, that's something I need to pay attention to, obviously, it sounds like.
Yeah, it means it won't cut them, and I'll show you why. Select the bottom. Okay, now come down here and make it not 16. See, it's rounding all the numbers off to the nearest 16, so that's not very useful. Thousandths of an inch.
Okay.
Okay. Now see what does that thing say right there?
0.24, yeah.
Okay, now go back to SUM. Get out of this. Go to SUM.
You got to be kidding me if it's this easy.
Actually, go to SUM and then touch Tools.
Here.
Yeah. Show me which tool here you think can cut that out.
Right here.
So how is a 0.25 diameter tool going to cut a 0.24 dado?
Right. Okay. Well, that makes sense, obviously.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Wow. Okay.
Because it always goes to a smaller bit. The bit can't be bigger than the obvious group. So if you wanted just to change this to 0.24.
Whoops. Sorry. Yeah.
In tools, that would take care of it. But there again, it just depends on if that's what you want to do or not, or I would just make the back thicker. It's up to you.
Yeah, because I had, well, in materials, because that's as simple as going to.
And the filter is the easiest way to set it.
Quarter inch right here.
Don't click on it.
Yeah, because it was six.
You're rounding this off to the nearest 16th. That's the problem.
Yeah, because I set it for this when I put this in there. So,
yeah, so go back and put it on quarter switch to the other one. So that is thousandths. Okay.
So that won't work.
Well, that's works.
All right.
Actually, 0.251. Play it safe.
0.251.
Yeah. Okay, then it's bigger than your bit.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it comes out.
Okay, well, let's.
That's 2.5 or 2.5.
Okay.
This 0.25 would work.
Yeah, because I just mic'd up. I mic'd it and.
For your bit's probably not 0.25. It's never exactly 0.25.
No.
You know what I mean? It just depends on how you measure it, that sort of thing. And the thickness of the panel is going to be different in different places for that, realistically.
Okay. Yep, no error. Oh,
We didn't update the job.
oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's a lot to try to comprehend. So
Well, and I know it's always something pretty simple. It's just I don't know where to.
Down to it, this is a calculator.
Yeah, and I just don't know where to go yet.
Yeah. I know. It takes time. Okay, so it means you got something else going on.
Downshear. No
For the
tool.
back, that means there's holes on the back, right? It's the holes or whatever.
Yeah, but it's drilling those.
Okay.
Huh. Yeah, because it drilled those out. That's
Okay,
bizarre.
let's go find the back. Go select the back only, right button on it. No, don't filter. You can't do this by filtering. Select a back, right button, edit. Okay. Edit operations. Okay. Come down here, get rid of the 16th. It's got to be thousands. Okay, you're on the back. Go to the front. Okay, is there any operations on it?
No, I turned them off. I'd like to have those 3/8 holes that went through the front of this in here now, but there should be a dado in here.
Didn't you make the back above the bottom?
Yeah, I did.
So go to that cabinet and see what's going on there. Because I think you probably are. See right here.
Yeah.
Looks like it's still datoing into the back. Zoom in really. Go to. Oh, you got that. Zoom in further.
Yeah.
We'll grab the back right here.
Oh, and you know what? I probably turned it back on, screwing around with it this weekend.
Yeah, so that groove right there, that should be whatever hardware you're using for the guide. You got to turn off that notch. That's why it's not doing it. There's a notch. Zero. We have to zero. We zeroed that out.
Modified. Oh, 5-piece. Shouldn't this be checked red?
Well, you're in a job and you started using one, not necessarily, but in a job like else, it depends on how you do it. You actually were using a different one.
Drawer box back. Oh, that's correct. It should be sitting. Yeah.
Well, it's the groove. It's really the hardware you're using that's causing the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so go back and double click on the drawer. Get out of this. Go to the drawer.
The hardware.
No, get out of this completely. Just go to the cabinet editor of that cabinet editor. Double click. No, close this out.
The whole job.
Double click on the cabinet and go to the drawer. Okay, now go to the section edit. Double click on the drawer.
Here.
The drawer. Yeah, double click on the drawer. Double click. No, go back to section and double click on the drawer. Okay, now go to drawer box and see what guide you're using. See that guide right there? Write that number down. We're going to go and look at that guide and you're going to see that the groove cut in that guide. You didn't zero it out.
All right.
563H 53030B. Okay, so close that and go out to close the job, go to the material catalog. So remember, you had updated that job and everything, and now it's no longer updated, so you should save it. So, drawer guide, find that guide.
560 right here.
Double click on it. Go to guide. Gotcha. Okay.
So zero this out.
I would, yeah. That's why you get an error, because it's trying to cut out that. You can't get this on the back. Get rid of the hatch. And then, there you go. You get rid of the hole too if you want to.
Well, that hole should still be there, yeah.
Yeah, the operations is what that is.
Yeah, that should still be there.
Down
That's
here.
needed.
Down here. It's right down here. That's already there. It's going 7/8 hole. I mean, it's offset 7/8. Right? If you want to zero that out, I guess, right?
Well, that hole still needs to be there.
How are you going to do it? Get it there. It's on the back of the back.
Well, it's not.
Yeah, you're right. Take it back here. And we'll make it not 1/16 of an inch and see what size hole you've got. Right here.
Yeah, because I think it's supposed to be.
It's not going to drill it. It's not going to do that.
It's supposed to be 5 millimeters.
We'll make this millimeters, and that's 5 inches.
Okay.
And then make it. We're good. Cool. Good.
All right. So, because that is for that size drawer, 563H. So that's the only drawer it's going to pull up when it's selected in that job. Only guide.
Okay. We should take care of that error message. So you have to go back in there and update job and have to save it for you.
Yeah, I shouldn't have hit no.
Subject to. No, I wouldn't do construction.
Whoops.
Might
Okay.
not have it. I'm not sure. There you go.
Okay, but it still is at.
Yeah, that's because your bottom of your drawer,
Yeah.
you've got that data going all the way through the parts.
Yeah.
It's not doing a stop data.
Right. So we need to.
Cool.
Well,
that's cool. That's what most people do. You don't need.
Well, I wanted to, because this is the bottom, the back of the bottom here. I'd want it right here.
No, this is the data. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. The data. So select the bottom. Select it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you didn't save the construction. You might have changed it, but you didn't save the construction reason. So go back and then go to room. And go to drawer, cabinet. Well, no, you just changed it. So you're not changing the one you have or using in the room. That's the one you're using in the room right there, the modified.
Okay. So if I go to the back.
Well, the back, I think, is right. It's the bottom not going up through, I think.
Vertical. That's correct.
That's good.
That's correct. Back.
That's not. Yeah. To the outside of that. There you go. Next. Well, yeah, hopefully it kept that. Double check it. Go to the bottom again and go through it. Probably next. There you go. Cool. All right, finish. Good now.
Okay.
Okay, now go there. Now immediately go and check that. Double click on the cabinet again. Look at the bottom. No, if you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
All right. So now I can update. Do I need to update the job?
And then we'll erase any changes you just made.
Okay. Well, let's try this out again.
When you update a job, that means, okay, I want to bring in all fresh parameters.
Mm-hmm.
Ignore anything I've done in this job. Let's change anything. That should take care of it.
Come on.
Okay, let's see what else it is. Keep going. There's probably some other drawer guide here. Scroll up and see which one it is, and I'll tell you the cabinet. Right there, drawer box. Okay, which is that cabinet number 7.